Hi dear viewers, fans and followers. Today I'm gonna share you a new experience about how to make 12 volt DC LED lamp. First of all, you have to need old LED light cover and two wire, and you then need assembly LED circuit 12 volt DC, and you need soldering wire and soldering iron. Here you can see the soldering iron. And then you have to solder it to polarity, positive and negative. First of all, you have to fix the soldering wire by the using soldering iron, plus and minus, and then we have to fix two wire in positive and negative terminal in the LED assembly LED 12 volt. First and second negative wire, black color wire, I am connected to the SND LED 12 volt circuit, and then I have to manage the wiring system. I have to fix the wire in LED backside. It's very easy and simple, and you will see that LED light cover, and I have to uncover the wire insulations by the using wire stripper. Also you can using pliers to uncover insulator, and then smoothly get in the hole. Negative and positive wire. Negative and positive wire. After entering two wires, negative and positive, you have to use pin, LED cap pin, smoothly enter the pin in the head of LED cap, and you have to fix the pin by the using hammer. Now you have to cut the two extra wire out of the LED cap, and then you have to fix the SMD LED in the hole of LED cover, and smoothly you have to pressure to finger in this LED circuit, and then smoothly is done, and then you have to fix the diffuser LED deep light diffuser. How nice is it? Now I'm marking the red marker, 12 volt DC LED for next time uses easily without marking. We cannot understand which is AC or DC LED, and then you have to need a power supply, 12 volt power supply, and I'm connecting to your negative and positive in the head of LED lamp, DC LED lamp, and see it how bright light is it. Look how nice, how bright LED lamp is. Maybe 10 watt as in the LED 12 volt DC, and connecting to wire, positive or negative terminal, and I'll see that. If you are enjoying this video, subscribe here.